So guys, the Royal Enfield Meteor is finally here and it's going to be launched on 6th of November at 11:30 a.m. And for all of you who are at home and cannot make it to the launch, don't worry guys, just subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on the option all, because I'm going live and at the ease of home you guys can just watch it. So you need to subscribe and click on the bell icon and click it to the all option. Only then you will be notified as soon as I go live, so that you guys can watch it. And Royal Enfield has given out 5 different teasers, so I'm gonna play all those 5 right now. Watch it, enjoy the video, and reminding you again, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified on the day when I go live.